You may have heard of Marry Me chicken. Well, today I'm going to be making Marry Me chickpeas. I'm a firm believer that any vegan food can be made just as good as its counterpart, and today I'm going to prove that to you. So I'm going to start with my garlic press, and I have 5 garlic cloves that I'm just going to run through the garlic press here. Now, it's not a requirement for you to use a garlic press, but to me it's easier, it's faster, and why not have your time faster and easier in the kitchen. Next up, I have some chickpeas. Next up, I have some sun-dried tomatoes, and I'm just going to cut them up. Really just a quick rough chop on these, but we're going to be using a good amount. I'm going to be going with about ½ a cup. Okay, so at the stove top, I'm going to add some oil. Now it's time for the garlic. Add the tomato. I'm going to add some tomato paste. And now the chickpeas. I'm going to add in some crushed black pepper. Some salt, some Italian seasoning, and some crushed red pepper. And now I'm going to add some vegetable stock. Now this is where the magic happens. Now I'm going to add in some vegan Parmesan cheese. I'm going to let this cook until the sauce thickens. It's going to be just a few minutes. So the sauce has thickened. We're just going to go in and we can see that the sauce is staying to the back of the spoon. It's not too runny. That's what we're looking for. I'm going to add some spinach. Okay, so the spinach has wilted. This is so good. It is creamy. It's full of flavor. You have garlic, you have tomato, you have Italian seasonings, you have a little bit of heat. This is absolutely fantastic. Serving it with the bread is great. There's not much more that you could ask for in this. This Marry Me Chickpeas will compete with any Marry Me chicken out there. Because I'm your friend with food benefits, and I will see you again real soon.